Here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, actually, a majority of our area has sunshine. The storms are really confined to the far northwest suburbs, especially areas north and west of Providence. Take a look at the Doppler radar. We'll start with that, of course. And you can see the line of storms depicted in red from roughly northeast Connecticut and northwest Rhode Island down through eastern Connecticut and towards coastal Connecticut and Long Island Sound. Elsewhere, to the south of that, the sun is still shining. So the area right now that's void of any showers or storms will still keep an eye to the sky next couple of hours. Even in this empty area right in here, the potential is there for some showers and thunderstorms, some which may be on the strong side. Now, this one impressive thunderstorm cell in northwest Rhode Island hasn't been classified as severe, but it's certainly a strong storm. Some very heavy rain, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning, and some gusty wind. This is now the second storm to pass through this area. The first one, a little over an hour ago, did produce some wind damage, and here comes the second round across the northern part of the state, and this is tracking off now to the east and southeast. In fact, when I turn on the lightning tracker, you can see numerous cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. Here is Burrillville, Gloucester, Route 44, Route 101. So this is tracking off now to the east and southeast, heading towards Woonsocket, North Smithfield, Lincoln, crossing the Route 295 area. Bad timing for the evening commute. And from Providence, looking north and west, you can see these darker clouds. I'll show you that picture in just a second. One of the things the Doppler radar can do is actually take a three-dimensional cross-section of thunderstorms. It's almost like a CAT scan. So when we look at these in 3 dimensions, and you can see the scale over here indicating the height of these storms, it gives us a wealth of information as far as potential to produce hail or damaging wind and some hail. And based on this cross-section now, we're pushing these storms at about 30 to 35,000 feet. So these are strong storms. Very heavy rain, some gusty wind, and the potential for some hail. Here's Foster, Gloucester right in here, and you can see downtown Providence and Johnston off to the south and east. So some of the tools that we use, these three-dimensional cross-sections, to get a real detailed look at these storms to see whether or not they're strong or severe. Now, the only severe thunderstorm warning we have right now is out towards Bristol and Plymouth County, Massachusetts, right in here. That's not to say that additional severe thunderstorms won't form, but right now that's the latest warning as these storms stretch all the way down through central Connecticut and tracking off to the east. To the south of that, the sun is still shining, but we'll be very cautious down here. The severe thunderstorm watch is actually in effect until 8 o'clock this evening. So these areas to the south where it's relatively quiet, showers and thunderstorms are possible. Look at North Kingstown. There are no storms at all, but rather blue skies. Meanwhile, in Providence, we showed you that heavy storm in the northwest part of the state. From downtown Providence, you can see that dark cloud off to the north and west. So I would imagine in the Providence area, shortly, we'll hear from some of that heavy weather that's now over northwest Rhode Island. What's causing the stormy weather is a cold front, the leading edge to some drier air. Of course, these storms feed on hot and humid conditions, and we certainly had that today. As the front draws closer, the risk of showers and thunder should continue for a few more hours. Once the front pushes offshore, drier, less humid air is on the way for tomorrow. So Tuesday's a very warm day, but not quite as muggy. What's left of some of the storms early in the evening will be gone by 8, 9 o'clock, the latest. Thereafter, we'll see clearing skies overnight. Tomorrow morning, sunshine, 72. A very warm day tomorrow, but what's nice, even though it's in the upper 80s, the humidity is a lot lower, so it's warm and dry. Here's your 7-day forecast showing a decent Tuesday. We'll bring back some scattered showers and thunder Wednesday into Thursday morning, drying out Thursday afternoon, and this sets the stage for very nice, comfortable, low humidity weather Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. In the short term, the storms are ongoing in the northern part of the state, those areas that have sunshine right now, which is most areas. Keep an eye to the sky in north and west next couple of hours.
All right, Tony, thanks.